Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to uh, explain the designing of Turing machine on the language L equal to 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, such that n greater than equal to 1. For this, I am going to design a Turing machine. Design Turing machine. Now, what's the concept? What's the idea? First of all, let us assume the strings of this format. So, the strings of that format is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This I am going to consider because 0 to the power 3 and 1 to the power 3. Now, according to the Turing machine, we are going to store all these characters in the tape. Okay, all these characters in the tape. So tape is nothing but it's a divided tape is divided into cells. So I have stored here input something like this. Okay, and the characters before this will be a blank, and after this will be a blank. Okay, now this is your input. This portion is your input, and read write head, let's assume, is going to point to this location. It's the first character of the input. Now what happens? What's the idea here is, when I read first 0, I will replace that by x, and then I will shift to the next character. What's in the aim to get, that is, the aim here is to get the corresponding one for this 0. So corresponding one for this 0 is here. So for this 0, I will convert it to x, so that to inform that this particular 0 has been processed. Then what I will do, I will go in search of this one and just skip this characters. How do I skip this character? And as you know that read write head will take only one move at a time. So 0, 0 R, but if this shouldn't be changed, that's why I should do 0, 0 R. That instruction is given to this. After moving to this, it just should do 0, 0 R. That means it will come here. Again I will do 0, 0 R. That means it's coming to this location, and this location, what happens? 1 need to be replaced by y, and then so here it was the same, no change at all. Okay, then one, after changing 1 by y, that read write head should take a left move. Left move in the sense it will come here. So 0, 0 L. So its aim is now again to get this character next 0. How do I identify the next 0? The indication to identify the next 0 is, that is this portion 0 is after this x. After this x, the first 0 will be available. That's why what you do is you just take a left move until you get x. So 0, 0 L you do, 0, 0 L you do, and finally you will land in x. And then just give an instruction to read write head saying XXR. When you say that XXR, again you are going to come to the next 0 that need to be replaced by x. So that same procedure what we have done here, that need to be repeated. This 0 need to be changed to x. This 0 need to be changed to x. And then until you get this one. So whenever you get 0, you just shift to the right. Even if you get y, you just shift to the right, and then change this 1, change this 1 by y, and take a left move. So when you get y, you again take a left move. 0, you get take a left move until you get this x. What's the indication of what's the meaning of getting this x? So next will be your 0. So what happens after that? This 0 also need to be changed to x, then y, then y. Here there was 1. That also, after that I will find for corresponding one. And that also will be replaced by y. After getting y, then again you come back in search of zeros, and this time what happens, since all zeros are replaced by x, you will land here. Moment you get x, you try shifting one position to the right, try shifting one position to the right, and after that if you get this y, means that there are no zeros. After getting xx, after doing xxr, if you get y, that means there are no zeros. Now you can try for converging, now you can try for going to the final state. So even if I get more y's, just shift to the these locations, shift over these locations, these y's. Okay, skip these y's, and the moment if you get blank at this place, if you get blank at this place, that means there are no ones also, there are no ones. So it also says that there were equal number of zeros and ones. When you get blank, when you get a blank, you just move to the final state, you just move to the final state. Let us see how this will be implemented using a transition Turing machine. So first I will start from the starting state or initial state, that is q naught. What did I say? When I get 0, I will change 0 by x and move to the right place, move to the right, that means the next character. So when I change 0 by x, and when I change 0 by x and move to the right, I'll go to which state? Q1 state. I will go to the Q1 state. Okay, and at, so let me write here 0 0 0 1 1 1. So I will change this 0 by x. After that I'll get many zeros before I could get this one. My aim is to get corresponding one for this 0. So when I get many zeros, I will just skip it. I'll just skip it because I'm not going to change any character. With this 0 I will skip, this 0 I'll skip, and finally I get 1. When I get 1, I will change that by y. Change that by y. You can see here I will change that by y. Next, when I after changing 1 by y, I should again search back to 0, isn't it? I need to repeat the same step again and again. So I need to find 0 and then corresponding 1. So that I can do by coming back, that is by taking a left move. So here it can't be right move, it need to be change 1 by y and take a left move. After taking 1 by 1, after changing 1 by y, next is uh, take a left move. Take a left move. You can see here you have to take a left move. Okay. Next, what happens? So when you take a left move, what happens? You will get, after replacing 1 by 1, when you take a left move, you will get zeros. You will get zeros 1 by y, and here many 0 0 are. When you take a left move, you will get zeros. So that means you even need to cross many zeros to get the first 0. So first 0, how do we know that this is first 0? Only indication that it is just after the x. It is just after the last x. Suppose if you come till last x, then you just take a one move to the right. So now what happens? After replacing 1 by y comma l, okay, this is q2, you have to take left on cross zeros and come back to when you do 0 0 L, when you do 0 0 L, you will reach where? To the x. So as I said, when you reach x, when you read x, you just have to take one move to the right and then repeat the procedure. Then repeat the procedure of replacing 0 by x and corresponding 1 by 5. So now again I get 0. 0 will be replaced by x and then take a right move. Then take a right move and so this x and this will be and after that you will get 0. When you get 0, what happens? You take a right move and also before getting 1, corresponding 1, you will also get many y's. So that's why here let's write y comma y comma r, y comma y comma r. Okay. After that, after crossing y, you will land in 1 and when you get 1, what you have to do? You just change to y. You just change to y and then take a left move. So now what? Earlier you got after before y you got only zeros, but you also got y's. So there may be a chance that if there are more number of zeros and ones, you can get more y's. So y by l. So you come back to this 0 0 0 L. You will be at the same place 0 0 L. Next, take a left move. Where do you land? At x. When you land at x, it is same as the previous. Replace 0 by x and search for the corresponding 1. So when you do XXR, you come to Q0 state. XXR in the sense finally you land at 0, 0, which we are searching for. That 0 you replace by x, x0. This 0 you replace by x and then cross y's, many y's, y by r, and then what you got? You got final 1, corresponding 1, that you change it to y. After that, take a left move. When you take a left move, you will get y. So as that means after changing 1 by y, you will land in Q2. At Q2, if you get y, you will just taking a left move. So y by l, and finally you land where? At x. So when you get x, xxr you should do. If you get after doing xxr, where do you land? You will land at y. That means you're not going in this path anymore. You were somewhere near into the closing of what this problem. That means you are somewhere you are nearing to the matching of zeros and ones. So now one thing is clear, there are no zeros, no more zeros. So let us check whether there are many y's. So from Q0 I will take another branch. If I get y, I will take a right move. If I get a y, I will take a right move. Again y, take a right move. Again y, take a right move. And the moment you get a blank, so 1 by 3 and many y you get, take a right move. So 1 y you are taking a right move, but here there are 2 more y's. Similarly in a problem there may be many y's, so you just take a loop. Okay, after taking a loop, where you will reach finally? Blank. So after reaching the blank, just do BBR. Don't replace. That means, what is the meaning? That means there were equal number of zeros and equal number of ones, and no more ones left or zeros, ones left or zeros left. That's the indication. So when you do BBR in the sense finally you land after this P. So you will land at final state. Also here what does it indicate? So one thing is all zeros and ones are converted to x and y respectively, and also you are in a final state. So this is about 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, such that n greater than or equal to 1. This problem is that. Suppose if you get the problem n greater than equal to 0. Let's suppose this problem is converted to n equal to 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, such that n greater than equal to 0. Even if you do not supply any input, it should accept. If you do not supply input, in the sense your tape will contain only blanks. That's why at Q naught state, you just read a blank. And go to the final state. So that is what it has to, that is what the change you are supposed to make for n greater than equal to 0. So this is about the problem. 0 to the power n and 1 to the power n, such that n greater than equal to 1 as well as n greater than equal to 0. So let us now see the computation on input. So let me take a simple example, 0 and 1. So let me start from the starting state. Start state is Q naught, 0 and 1. Q naught followed by input you should write. So suppose the state is before any character, that is, if the state is before particular character, that means that read write head is on this. So here state is before this character, that means read write head is on this. Okay, that's the indication. So suppose next, after processing this, next time if you want to process this character, so then the state has to come before this character. Okay, so let's check here. Q naught on 0 is what? 0 need to be replaced by x and then take a right move. That means you have to come here. So you have to come here, and 0 on x goes to which state? Q1 on 1. Now again Q1 on 1. What's the meaning? Q1 on 1 means this path going to Q2 state. So x Q1 on 1 is nothing but is taking y and taking a left move. Left move in the sense, currently when it was processing this, it was on the here. Left move in the sense previous character. So anymore on this. So after replacing 1 by y, the state you are going to reach is Q2. So Q2 should come here. Next Q2 on x, XXR. So read write head was here. Now after changing x by x, so go to right move. That means on this character it should come. So Q2 on x goes to where? Q naught. So x Q naught on y. So now Q naught on y goes to where? Q3. Q naught on y goes to Q3. Remember, and Q naught on y is taking what move? Right move. That means after this y. What is there after this y? There is blank. Though we don't write, but there is blank. So x, y, blank. So where did you reach? Q3. Okay. Q3 on B goes to where? Taking a right move. Currently it is here. Taking a right move. X, y, B goes to Q4 BB, and all your inputs are changed, converted from X to Y. Okay, the input is converted to X and Y, and finally you have landed in the final state. It means that this particular input has been accepted by the machine. Next we'll see another example. Now we'll do the computation on another input. So computation on input 0011. You can try the computation on 3 zeros and 3 ones. So next, start from the start state 0011. So Q naught on 0 goes to where? Q naught on 0, this is your input. Q naught on 0 goes to Q1, and 0 is replaced by x and taking a right move. So after processing this, the your read write head has to be on this character. Okay, so remember on this character. So I am indicating it here. So currently it is at this. So Q0 on 0 goes to Q1, Q1, and which character it has to process? This. So after this it will come here and this 0 will be replaced by X. Okay, next Q1 on 0, Q1 on 0. So this is I am processing, and after this I am going to take a right move. So that means next I should be, the state need to be before this character. Q1 on 0. Don't replace, 0 will be replaced by 0, but you will be Q1 is before the this one. Okay, next Q1 on 1. Q1 on 1 goes to Q2. 1 goes to Q2 and 1 will be replaced by Y. 1 will be replaced by Y. So X 0 Y 1 will be replaced by Y and taking a left move. Left move in the sense where to this character. So state need to be before this. 1 on Y goes to left, goes to Q2. So Q2 will be here. Okay, so this character will be as it is. Q2 on 0, Q2 on 0 goes to Q2 state itself, but 0 will be replaced by 0, that means no change, and taking a left move. That means it should come here. Read write head, in the next step it should come here. So Q2 on 0 goes to which state? Q2. So the next state will be before X. So Q2 X 0 Y 1. So Q2 on X, what it is going to do? It's not going to change that X character, but it is taking a right move. Right move in the sense on this character. In the next processing it has to be in this character. So X, so before that character, in the sense no change, 0 Y 1. So what is that? Q0. Q2 on 0, what does it do? X. Q2 on 0, 0, this 0 will be replaced by X, and then next it has to be here. Read write head has to be here. So let me write Q2, this 0 will be replaced by X, and taking a right move, that means to the next character before Y, the state. What's the state? Q1 Y 1. What is Q1 on Y? Q1 on Y, no changing the Y, but just moving to the next character. So X and then Y, Q1 on 1. Q1 on 1, now 1 is changed to Y and taking a left move. That means next processing read write head should be here. So what I will write? X. So 1 on Y goes to its state? Q2. So as I said earlier, read write head in the next processing has to be here. So state need to be before this character. So Q2 Y and then Q2 Y and then 1. Q2 on Y goes to where? YYL. Just taking a left move. So that means you come here. Now in the next step, read write head will be before. Read write head is here. So state need to be before this X. So what's the state? After processing Q2 on Y is going to Q2 itself. Q2 X Y. Sorry, here Q1 on 1, I did not change it to Y, isn't it? I did not change it to Q2 on 1, change goes to Q2 on 1 goes to Y and taking a left move, so it has to come here. Okay, next XQ2 XY, XQ2 XY. After the Q2 on X, XXR. So goes to Q0 state, XXR in the sense to Y it goes, correct? So next processing character will be, read write head will be on this, so state need to be before this. So X, 2 on x goes to q naught. So q naught y y. Q naught on y goes to where? Y goes to q3 state. So y q3 y. Q3 on y so goes to q3 state itself. Y goes to yr I said. So it is taking the next. So here what will have? Blank. So x y q3 on b goes to q4. So y q3 on blank and then q4 and then q4. So you have reached to the final state and all zeros and ones are converted to x's and y's. So this is about the computation on input for the particular language. Let's see some more problems in the next video.